on a real fix for the illegal immigration mess, some states and cities are cracking down on their own. But guess what? It turns out getting tough in John McCain's home state of Arizona may be backfiring. Here's Randy Kay.
This is a steel plant in Phoenix. The owner, Sheridan Bailey, needs workers. Even though he recently fired 12, they were all illegal immigrants. And with a tough new state law that could shut down businesses that knowingly hire illegals, Bailey wasn't taking any chances. It's causing losses across the board.
How much money would you say you have lost in potential business as a result of the current law?
$4 or $5 million over a year's time is probably a reasonable figure.
It's a mess. Business owners say the immigration law backfired. Illegal workers once made up about 11% of Arizona's workforce. But with the crackdowns, thousands simply left. 2 months ago, an economist predicted 8% of Arizona's population would disappear, and the state would lose tens of billions of dollars in economic output because of the new law. Hardest hit, agriculture, tourism, hospitality, construction. But unemployment is low here. It's below 4%. So there aren't a lot of workers to fill jobs vacated by the immigrants who left. Bailey tried hiring veterans, ex-cons, even a lost boy from Africa. Nothing's worked. We asked, what will Arizona do now? Turns out, lawmakers are now considering a plan to try to get the illegal immigrants back again. That's right, they're doing a 180. Oops. This state senator has a plan to get the workers back. It's sort of an end run on the original plan to get them out. It's a guest worker program. It would allow businesses to legally hire illegal Mexican workers.
We want to see our companies be able to have increased productivity, increased profits, so that Arizona's economy can go up. This influx of immigrant workers could make a big difference.
Here's how a guest worker program would work in Arizona. First, a business would have to prove it was unsuccessful at hiring legal U.S. workers. Then it would hire Mexican workers using the Mexican consulate. Every Mexican worker would get a background check, be photographed and fingerprinted before getting a guest worker card and coming here to Arizona.
Every industry that wants cheap labor will...
Even this man, Russell Pierce, the state senator who pushed through the current tough immigration law, is softening. In a stunning reversal, he now admits the state needs the immigrants back, but only for agricultural jobs.
Crops have to be brought in, but I don't need them to wash my car, mow my lawn, or do I need to eat at fast food restaurants.
But Pierce is trying to have it both ways. He wants the labor, but he doesn't want the laborers. So his plan
doesn't lead to citizenship, doesn't lead to any permanent status, can't bring family with you, can't come here and have your babies, can't come here and be a burden on the taxpayer. Come here, work, earn your wages, pay your taxes, and go home when it's done.
So while the whoops, we have no workers debate continues in Arizona, business owners keep an eye on the border, hoping the keep out sign is soon replaced by help wanted. Ray Kay, CNN, Phoenix.
And while there